The Future Generations Commission as People's Platform is a space for people to discuss the big issues facing the future of Wales, namely transport, planning, housing stock, adverse childhood experiences, alternative models of health and wellbeing, and skills for the future. This is an online and offline platform for people to share their stories. The stories and data that we collect are going to be made accessible to public bodies across Wales so that we've got a common point of reference to inform our work relating to these big issues. We're excited to be using this approach to reach our unusual suspects, people whose voices we wouldn't usually hear, working with schools, colleges, universities, community groups and across the public sector as well, ensuring that we've got the diversity of views that are held in Wales represented within our platform. Check out the link below to have a look at the platform for yourself and share your story. And please respond to us with an expression of interest if you'd like to get involved in collecting stories and having access to the wider data set.